Hey, what is your attitude about this particular situation? Do you go into something going, this sucks, and have a terrible attitude about it? But here's a reality. Your attitude dictates your behavior. Your behavior dictates your actions. So remember that. Attitude dictates behavior. Behavior dictates actions. So if you want to create a successful outcome to a situation, take a step back and go, what attitude do I need in order to do this the very best I can? And generally, it's an awesome attitude, a can-do attitude, a winning attitude, and I can overcome anything attitude. Your behavior will be fantastic, and your actions will follow up. That's your quick win for the day.
If you've enjoyed this content, head over to iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts and subscribe to Start With a Win. We release new episodes every single Wednesday and quick wins every other Friday. Remember, stay awesome, and we'll see you next week.